This tutorial will show you how to use the configuration software of the WMP products. A real situation could be to have an air-conditioned indoor unit and then a WMP gateway directly connected to the indoor unit, or the universal gateway communicating via infrared commands. Then we have the Wi-Fi network and the two products connected to this network following the steps that we explained in the previous tutorial. And at the end, our PC connected to the same network and running the configuration software of the WMP products. For the configuration and test of the WMP products, Intesis offers a free software that can be downloaded from the IntesisBox website. In Products, select Wi-Fi. Choose one of the products as soon as the configuration tool is the same for all the references. Then press WMP Configuration tool and the download will start automatically. So after this, you have to start the installation process. Follow the steps, and as soon as the installation is finished, the program will be launched. The configurator is divided into three sections. The section A, where you can see the connected devices. The section B, with the configuration, security, and signals windows. And the section C, where you can see a log of the communication. Starting from the section A, by pressing the periodic discover, the connected devices will appear automatically here. The frame that we see around the product takes the color blue as soon as the connection is established correctly. If the connection is lost, this frame will take the color red. The configuration window of the section B shows us some general information of the device. An interesting parameter is the shift temperature that allows to define a correction in the measurement of the ambient temperature. This is a useful option when the device is installed close to some heat or cool source and the measurement of the ambient temperature does not match with the real one. For only the WMP infrared gateway, we have three additional parameters that allow you to choose the manufacturer and the model of the remote controller. Now, a new functionality is available for the products with the version 1.0.3 or newer. This function allows to identify the infrared remote controller automatically by only sending a command pointing to the WMP device. This is a great function that makes the process easier and faster. Press the button Open Auto Learn in order to launch this function, and follow the instructions given in the pop-up window. Press Learn button and the LED of the WMP product will turn into white. Then press the On-Off button of your remote controller, and if the command has been received correctly, you will see it here. Then select it and press this button. And automatically we have the model here. From the signals windows, we can send some commands, and this is a good function to test if the device is working correctly. So as we can see also, I am sending some commands and I can see them in the log. So I can check if these commands have been sent correctly. And then in the last window, the security window, we can create a PIN to encrypt the communication between the tool and the WMP product. So after doing login, we can see here that the login has been done correctly. And after this, the communication will be encrypted. To finish, on the bottom side, it's located the ASCII logs window. As I said before, this window monitors the ASCII commands sent by the IntesisBox product or received from the AC controller. You can get a clipboard copy of the log You can also export the log into a file. And of course, you can clear the log. And a useful functionality to check the connection with the device is the TCP monitor, from where you can send or you can do some ping, and you can monitor the answer of the WMP product. And that is all for this tutorial. For any question, please contact with sales@intesis.com.